Have you ever found yourself in an Italian cafe looking at all the mouth-watering snacks on the menu, but felt totally lost on how to order them? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to help you to overcome that language barrier and teach you some super useful Italian snacks and phrases to help you order your favourite snacks with confidence. Un panino, un panino. Bruschetta, bruschetta. Pizza al taglio. Un tramezzino, un tramezzino. Una focaccia, una focaccia. Un toast, un toast. Insalata caprese, una fetta di torta. So now that you know how to say some of these wonderful Italian snacks, let's have a look at some key phrases that will help you to order these snacks. Vorrei, vorrei, I would like. Prendo, prendo, I'll have or I'll take. Avete, avete, do you have? Per me, for me. And finally, how to ask for the bill in Italian. Il conto, per favore. The bill, please. Posso pagare? Can I pay?